Hello smart investors. Welcome. So, one of the questions that everybody asking is bearish market, bullish market, and where are we in this cycle? Actually, I am going to show you fundamentals of finance right now. The graphic that you see, actually, not only works for Bitcoin, but also works for any other stock. So, we are talking about the market cycle. Just as sinusoidal wave, the prices go up and down, up and down. Do not think only the prices of products. Everything in economy works like that. What we call smart money is the time to invest in the market, and is an opportunity that arises when no one is paying attention. Silver is incredibly suppressed, and that Goldman invested in silver. Which analysts in the market know that silver has been purchased? It is known that Bitcoin has been purchased for years, when it was stable after 2017. But it does not attract anyone's attention. Whenever there is greed and unbelievable enthusiasm, the market is bullish. Those who remember 2017 know that. Everyone on the street was talking about coins. This coin, that coin. I think we are very close to that point. Let me tell you. On the other hand, profits are earned where no one is paying attention. But purchasing the shares also requires some patience and experience. In particular, the saying I always said, I do not get rich with the quickest way, fits this mindset a little more. I believe that in Bitcoin or the coin market, much higher profits are possible with Hodl. Of course we trade, we practice it. But when I look back at myself, I see that the part where I made the most profit was actually the part which I called smart money, which I held in my hand. And I can tell you very clearly that this is the part one took when no one was talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum. In fact, this is related to all investors, guys. I can tell you that Warren Buffett said it long ago. And many of you know it, as he said, be fearful when others are greedy. He wants to draw attention to this point. In the period when everyone is afraid when they do not show interest, be greedy. You can make much higher profits by acting the opposite of the market. When I say the opposite of the market, please don't go and perceive it as the time everyone is afraid of at this point. Unfortunately, many new investors are doing this. I mean, everyone is afraid at this point. However, there is one thing we always say. You shouldn't buy or sell at the point where prices suddenly drop. You analyze the situation which prices are more stable. You should make your purchases during this period. This is what we call smart money, guys. We missed this point today, but don't worry. If you take this course and listen very well and embrace it, at least most of you will enjoy the smart money part of the next cycle. And you will make nice profits when the next cycle comes. And don't just think of it for Bitcoin, guys. Right now, for example, there is gold that no one is paying attention to. Maybe there is silver that no one is paying attention to. Yes, people have lost their enthusiasm for gold and silver at the moment. But remember that the price of nothing always decreases, and the price of nothing increases constantly. This is an equilibrium. This is a market. Never fall in love with a product. This is even if you are a trader or a holder. If you hear that there is greed around here, it does not mean that you will not sell it here and wait for it to come back to its old price or go higher. This is not a hold, my friends. So when long-term Bitcoin investors see this greed when appropriate, and I will tell you how this is analyzed. Long-term investors will get Bitcoin out of their hands here. And they determine that point very accurately. The important thing here is that the markets have a cycle. And where we are in this cycle, I am on the side that I think we are somewhere in these points. At least on this date, that is, December 2022. I hope this chart was helpful for you to understand how the market moves with dynamics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, guys.